Hello and welcome. Now on the foundation certification from Shopify. So this will be a series of video where I'm going to dive deep into each one of those topics onto taking the certification exam. This is a proof of work and also a social proof of doing. So uh, in today's video, we're gonna focus is on the fundamental Shopify 101 and write to understand and speak to translate. And also I'm going to apply is some of the concepts from here from my book that I'm reading about the learning process fundamentals, especially this first section is also a way to put a test what I have done, what I have learned, and see what is the benefit of doing that. So the goal of this, so let me define here the goal. So the goal of this, here the goal, oops. So the goal here is to take the certification exam. So goal here, uh, goal, why man? Take certification exam. Okay. All right. So take certification exam. Let me see if this exactly, and this actually costs $100 for that, so no problem. So take the certification exam here. That's the end goal of this, and recognize that the learning process will be a steep learning curve and it will be painful as well. So now I define the intention submersion. I'm going to a schedule, which is something that I actually did here on my activities. I schedule the time I'm going to dedicate to this. I schedule the time I'm going to dedicate at least for this first model here, the foundation of Shopify 101. Okay, so yeah. All right. So let's go to read about the foundation of Shopify 101, and especially once I schedule what I'm going to do, at least in this 90 minutes season, okay, is to pass through all of these topics or write it down each one of those topics. Okay, meaning if I go into this foundation Shopify 101, so we have is about Shopify, the about Shopify, This is one section here. So about Shopify. The other topic is merchants understanding your audience. Merchants, oops, merchants understanding your audience. I think they put using columns here, so merchants, so understanding your audience. Okay, so merchants understanding your audience. This is another section here. The other is Shopify ecosystem and growing as a partner. Shopify ecosystem and growing as a partner. This is another topic here. Did you get it? Okay. Shopify, the platform. Now, Shopify, the platform. Something that I'm quite familiar with. You know, I have worked with several clients and has been very helpful. Shopify Money. So Shopify Money here. Another topic of Shopify. Shopify POS, something very, very, very important and crucial. So POS, a point of sale, something that I wasn't that aware of that. Okay, and also I conduct a research to learn about is the history of the POS, which is quite interesting, I must say. Shopify support, like this, Shopify support. Okay, Shopify support and community at Shopify. And community at at Shopify. Right. So this is all of this topic from the model one, okay, which is the fundamentals. So okay, let's do it. Okay, so what is Shopify? Shopify is the all-in commerce. So let's go to answer this. So what is Shopify? So what is Shopify? Okay, according to their definition. So what is Shopify? Okay. So what is Shopify? So it's an e-commerce platform. So Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform to start, run, and grow your business. So Shopify is the all-in-one commerce. Shopify is the all-in-one. So all-in-one. Okay, all-in-one commerce. So Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform to start, run, and grow your business. So from makers creating out of their garage to local business to multi-million dollar corporations, Shopify supports millions of merchants at all points of their journey. This is something, for example, there are several other people out there, like several influencers, as well as they mentioned here. So influencers or from maker creating out of their garage, something they didn't describe here. So from influencers to local business to multinational dollar corporations, right? So that's the whole point of this. So from makers creating out of their garage, which is this. So Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform to start, run, and grow your business. So from indie makers to influencers. So for indie makers, influencers, social media influencers, social media influencers, local businesses to multinational corporations, to multi-million or to multi-million dollar corporations. So Shopify supports millions of merchants at all points of their journey. So Shopify provides support, which is this. So Shopify provides support for all. For Shopify provides support for millions of merchants across their journey. Okay, or are across their journey, or at all point in the journey. So Shopify provides support for millions of merchants at all point in their journey. At all points in their journey. So understanding this from the Shopify is something that I am quite familiar with because I provide value to this client and also I learn a complex tech stack to solve the particular problems. Okay. So Shopify, after all, is this all-in-one commerce platform that allow, uh, it's all of these. So Shopify is this all-in-one commerce platform to run, and grow your business. So regardless of the size of your business, whether if you are an indie maker to local businesses or to a multi-million dollar company, so Shopify provide support at all points of their journey. Interesting. So we help people achieve independence by making it easy to start, run, and grow a business. We believe the future of commerce has more voices, not fewer. So we're reducing the barriers to business ownership to make commerce better for everyone. We believe the future of commerce has more voices. So something that, for example, Naval mentioned that in the era of internet, there will be vast aggregators. There will be few huge aggregators, and there is a lot of a huge tail of people that are close and bind to those aggregators. So, for example, you have two or one aggregator. For example, in the case of e-commerce, like Amazon and Shopify, and the others that are close to them, or the tail, and the tail that are close to them, related to them. So we believe the future of commerce has more voice, no fewer. So we're reducing the barrier to business ownership to make commerce better for everyone. Just check out this video to see how we do.
You do your thing, and you do it well. Now, it's time to do it bigger.
This is time for advertising.
It's time for Shopify. Just getting started? Shopify makes it easy to set up your online store. Choose a theme. Customize it to best represent your brand. Then, add your products. Manage your inventory. Track your orders. Get 24/7 support. Everything you need to launch your business. Today. Now. Already built your brand? Now it's time to think bigger. Way bigger. Shopify can help you expand into new sales channels so you can put your products in front of millions of shoppers while you market and sell your products, all from one place. Ready to bring your brand into the real world? Shopify is ready for that too. With a retail point of sale solution that lets you sell in stores, or markets, or pop-up events, wherever your customers find you. You'll be there to make the sale. Need to raise capital for your next big idea? Funding is now just a few clicks away. Stock up on inventory, hire new talent, expand to new locations, launch that new ad campaign. Anything's possible with Shopify Capital. Your funding will be available almost instantly. And with Shopify Payments, immediately accept credit cards, other popular payment methods, even different currencies. It's the fastest checkout experience possible, converting shoppers into customers. Your idea, your business, your future, powered by Shopify.
Powered Shopify. Okay, so despite of this, right? What is the life you always want? What the hell is in this?
Do you feel stuck, full of ideas but no plans, watching the days pass by? thinking, this can't be it.
It is interesting because the marketing exactly is appealing to your insecurity, appealing to is most of the time it's appealing to your insecurity or your lack of action or your lack of actions and results.
Yeah, this is for you. You weren't put on this earth just to work for someone else's dream. You've got dreams of your own. That's right. You want to do more, create more, leave your mark on this world. So why waste it?
Yeah, this is something interesting because especially the 21 skill. So the skill set of the 21st century will be persuasion. They try to persuade me, and if your brain is not developed or you don't have put the effort, of course you will get drained for this. And then down the line, you're gonna discover that holy, this is not what I expected. And then also aligned to another marketing quote, which is show them what they want, teach them what they need.
One more second. This year, millions of people are taking action and making a change, searching for more flexibility, time, happiness, money, independence, inspiration, passion, freedom, impact, and betting on themselves.
That sounds risky.
Not as risky as never giving yourself the chance. It's your life, your time. What have you always wanted to create?
That was an inspirational video. Okay, that was an inspirational video how this business created 4,000 jobs in India.
I have a story for you. Meet the Biswas sisters.
Hi, cuties.
In 2016, they started a business selling what they love, the sari.
Our goal was to make the best saris in the world.
Saris.
But there was a problem. In the villages where traditional weavers lived, lack of work and poor wages meant the craft was dying.
And we couldn't let that happen.
So, with that spark, they got to work. It started small,
It was just the two of us, working out of a tiny garage.
but it got bigger and well, you get the picture. Today, Suta supports over 14,000 weavers in villages across India. And those weavers are supporting their families, opening bank accounts, supporting local businesses, getting better education.
It's made a big impact.
All because two sisters started a business.
Bye.
But wait, Suta is just one story. Shopify supports 1.7 million stories. Stories about people who started businesses that create a ripple effect of impact felt around the world. So, together, what have Shopify businesses created? $307 billion in economic impact in 2020 alone. Over 3.6 million jobs, that's the largest workforce in the world. And over $20 billion in cross-border sales. We call this the Shopify effect. And together, we're changing the world.
Yeah, it is funny because Shopify, Shopify in Latin doesn't freaking work, especially by the huge politics. Especially by the politics here in Latin. Anyway, so I just want you, for each one of those videos, describe what they want. What is the end goal of this? What is the end goal of this? So the first was to describe. So there are several. So there are three videos. So we got three videos right here in the about. Shopify explainer, exactly. Shopify explainer. There are three videos in the course about Shopify explainer. So what is Shopify and how does it work? Okay, so what is Shopify and how does it work? Okay, what is Shopify and how does it work? The other is what's the life you always wanted. The other is exactly Shopify Explainer. This is the educational content. Okay. The educational content. The other is it was more like entertainment, which is what is the life you always wanted. What is the life you always wanted? Okay, and this is entertainment. I don't know how you write it. Entertainment. Okay, so entertainment. Entertainment most of the time. Entertainment and speaking about it was entertainment.
This world.
It was more like entertainment. It was more like entertainment. And then you have this, which is the impact. And something that Dan Go mentioned, right? Something that Dan Go in his last video described perfectly. What the hell? The fucking hell. Something that he described in his last video. When he talked about this.
The greatest skill of the
This
tools of your content. That's what you are as education.
So entertainment, education, and inspiration. You know, is that so? Education, inspiration, entertainment, or inspirational, or motivational. Entertainment, inspirational, and the other is entertainment, education, and inspiration. It was more like this. So it was more like in entertainment. I'm talking about your insecurities as well. And now we got is this: how this business create 4,000 jobs in India. And the other is that how this business created how this business created 4,000 jobs in India. And this is the inspirational content. So, acknowledging this, okay? Educational, entertainment, and inspirational. This is the cornerstone of the skill set for content creators. Educational, entertainment, and inspirational. And this must be something you resonate with, whether it's technology or sociology or any social or hard science, even creative. But the whole point is that it must educate your audience, it must entertain them, and also must be inspirational. So, with all of this, okay, as the leading commerce platform, Shopify has a wide reach, leading an e-commerce platform used by US direct-to-consumer brands, which is another type of business. Direct-to-consumer brands by percentage, October 2021. Shopify, WooCommerce, Shopify Plus, BigCommerce, Adobe, and others. This come from Pipe Candy. Who the fuck is Pipe Candy? Pipe Candy, inside of the global e-commerce direct-to-business. pipe candy. Is this supported in Shopify? It's built using Webflow. Pipe candy. Merchantry by Ashwin Ramaswamy. Hot debates on the future of e-commerce. The Holy Grail of Predictable Demand Generation. Sarah. League of Forever 21. Forever 21 is from Brazil? What? Lumen. Caraway. Wing. Article. Stack. Curbox. Interesting. Interesting. So, something they mention here, as the leading digital commerce platform, Shopify has a wide reach. The State of Direct-to-Consumer Industry, 2022, February 23, 2022. But right now, this is somewhat old, my friend, because that has changed vastly. So despite this, leading e-commerce platform used by US direct-to-consumer brands by percentage. As the leading commerce platform, as the leading commerce platform according to Pipe Candy, okay. So as the leading, so what is Shopify? Three videos about education, or this case is education and entertainment and inspirational content. Like this. And they're describing it something like this. So as the leading e-commerce platform according to Pipe Candy, according to Pipe Candy, in October 2021, which is 2 years has already passed, as the leading e-commerce platforms according to Pipe Candy. Okay, in Pipe Candy, who the F is Pipe Candy, my friend? No, who the F is Pipe Candy? So this is their blog. So what is Pipe Candy? Is another blogs here? The hell is even this? You know, it's like insight of performance direct-to-consumers e-commerce brands in the US and India. Interesting. Okay. So Pipe Candy is a web is okay. So Pipe Candy, a digital a digital web service, or a web service, a web news service. A web news service. Yeah, web news service of direct-to-consumers performance in US and India. In October 2021. Okay. So Shopify is the 70. This is in percentage. Shopify is the leading digital commerce platform, according to them. Comparing with WooCommerce, Shopify Plus, BigCommerce, and Adobe. So they're not comparing it with Alibaba, for example. They're just comparing in these two markets, the US and the India. Shopify has a wide reach. Shopify has a wide reach in US and India, my friend. 57.8%. 57.8%. And it is close competitor WooCommerce with 9.9. And it is close competitor WooCommerce with 9.9%. But again, yeah, they are the leading e-commerce platform. So they are the leading e-commerce platforms according to Pipe Candy, which is a web news providing direct-to-consumer insight, providing insight of direct-to-consumers performance in the US and India. So Shopify in those places has a wide range, 57.8%. In its close competitor, WooCommerce, 9.9%. All right. Okay. And when we say make commerce better for everyone, we mean the entire planet. So Shopify builds with a commitment to sustainable commerce in mind. Things like automatically neutralizing shipping emissions and funding carbon removal are a couple of the way we are empower merchants and their customers in the fight against climate change. Okay, so they are also making Shopify builds with a commitment to sustainable commerce in mind. Okay, the leading e-commerce platform. Okay, so leading e-commerce platform. Yes, a leading e-commerce platform in the US and India, according to Pipe Candy. This web news, this web, how you will call this, like a think tank? I don't know. So Pipe Candy is just a blog. So Pipe Candy, it's a market intelligence platform. Okay, market intelligence platform. It's a market intelligence platform. Pipe Candy. The hell is doing this? More than 90 marketplace like this. What, they rebrand that? It's like they rebrand that. What the hell is doing this? Just like the what? This is not back view. Pipe Candy. So they call Pipe View. Okay, yeah, is this? Okay, so Pipe Candy is a marketing intelligence platform that tracks the global e-commerce and direct-to-consumer landscape. Interesting. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So according to Pipe Candy, okay, Yeah, according to Pipe Candy here, which is a marketing market, how do they call this? So market strategy, right? It's a market intelligence platform. Market intelligence platform. It's like a blog, but anyway, uh, market intelligence platform here. Yeah, market intelligence platform tracking global e-commerce, tracking global e-commerce and direct to consumers. Exactly, tracking global e-commerce and direct to consumers landscape. So according to them, yes. So Shopify is the leading e-commerce platform uh, in in a graph show in a study made in October 2021, where they show that it is close competitors, which is WooCommerce, with 9.9%, in contrast with Shopify, which it has, of course, a broad range with 57.8% on these uh, two demographics. So the US and India, right? So yes, Shopify is the leading e-commerce in US and India, according to Pipe Candy. This market intelligence platforms that these market intelligence platforms tracking e-commerce or tracking global e-commerce and direct-to-consumer landscape. Okay, all right. So this is the devil. Devil is on the detail, and they mention that Shopify builds. Okay, this is now the sustainability mind or the climate change. Okay, like this. So they also describe that so environmental friendly, something like that, or sustainable, environmental friendly. Shopify builds Shopify builds with a commitment. Yeah, Shopify builds with a commitment to sustainable. Mhm, with a commitment to sustainable commerce in mind. So Shopify is built with a commitment to sustainable commerce in mind, which is this. So meaning against the climate change, sustainability fund, and they also call sustainability fund, sustainability fund. Open up here. Shopify Sustainability Fund, a global launchpad for climate entrepreneurs building tomorrow's groundbreaking technologies. Supporting entrepreneurs whose business is our planet. Okay. Sustainability. Okay. That's laughable. That's a meme. But yeah, Sustainability Fund. So it's supporting entrepreneurs whose business is our planet. Commerce can only thrive in the long term if our planet thrives too. Yeah, however, uh, you can escape from growth. Growth is inevitable. It takes a lot of to make it all happen, but we don't do it alone. To further our mission and constantly create a better experience for our merchants, we rely on partnership to bring new and customized products and features to our platform. Shopify partners are business and individuals who build alongside us, filling in product gaps, offering service, and creating a better experience for more. We'll talk more about this relationship. First, let's define two of the key players in Shopify ecosystem. Very, very interesting. So they talk about is now the Shopify ecosystem. So Shopify ecosystem. Okay, Shopify ecosystem. All of this to further our mission, they rely on to further our mission or the Shopify missions to further our missions and comes and they have this active voice. They have this active voice to further our mission. So to further our mission and constantly create a better user experience, we rely. This is interesting because they're using active voice here to actually try to identify with them. Awesome. So to further our mission and constantly create a better user experience, we rely on partners or partnership. We rely on partnership, which can be which uh, which uh, which will which we will define which will define two key players. Interesting. Which will be defined two key players in the Shopify ecosystem. Which will be defined two key players in Shopify ecosystem. Okay. Which will define two key players in the Shopify ecosystem. So we have the merchants and partners. Interesting. The merchants and partners. So merchants and partners. Merchants and partners. They using their image for that? Merchants and partners. So what is a Shopify merchant? At Shopify, merchants are everything. No, for real, man. For real. What it is. It's like, what the merchants. So merchants. Okay. So at Shopify, merchants are everything. At Shopify, merchants are everything because they are their clients. Especially, merchants are the people who use our platform to start, grow, and run their business. Okay, so merchants are the people. So merchants are the people to use. So merchants are the people who use. Exactly. So merchants are the people who use the platform Yeah, merchants are the people who use the platform to start, run, and grow their business. Or to grow. No, I prefer to start, run, and grow their businesses. That's the whole point of these merchants, right? So merchants are people like you and me, or whoever, that use the platform to start, run, and grow their businesses. So they sell a wide variety of products and service to customers around the world. So they sell a wide variety, variety. Oh, the fuck do you write? Variety. Okay, variety. So they sell a wide variety of products and service. Important here. So they sell a wide variety of products and services to what? To customers around the world. To customers around the world. Okay. And services in plural to that. So, around the world, anywhere they happen to be. So around the world, anywhere they happen to be. Okay. So this is the definition according to Shopify. Okay. So Shopify merchants. So at Shopify, merchants are everything. Just because they are the main clients. There are people that use the platform to start, run, and grow their businesses. So they sell a wide variety of products and service to customers around the world, anywhere they happen to be. Okay, anywhere they happen to be. Exactly. There are people just like you and me, that they have an idea and they want to grow their business. So merchants can sell online or in person. Exactly. So merchants can sell. So merchants or place to sell. Okay, so place to sell for this. So merchants can sell online or in person. Exactly. So merchants can sell online. So for example, like the online store, something that I'm quite familiar with, Shopify online store. So Shopify online store, online marketplaces like Google and Amazon, online marketplaces, online marketplaces like Google and Amazon, just to mention one. So Shopify online store, online marketplaces, whether it's digital or brick and mortar, but this case is online marketplace. It's just that segment. Mobile app. So mobile apps like Shop, which is particular to Shopify, but mobile apps, for example, Facebook Marketplace, that kind of thing, or any other application that allows you to sell your items, or social media channels, social media channels. And here we got is YouTube, and here we got is Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, you know, or in person. Merchants can sell online or in person. And now they're going to rely on brick and mortar, pop-up store, and events and festivals. So they didn't align this. they didn't align this. You know, it's like the artists wanna brick and mortar location, pop-up shop. He was like brick and mortar locations. Okay, pop-up, pop-up, pop-up shops or pop-up stores. So brick and mortar location, pop-up stores, and events, and in events and festivals, So this is the place where merchants can sell the products, okay, or services across the world using the Shopify platform to start, run, and grow their businesses. So it can be online, like Shopify online store or online marketplaces, for example, Amazon or Google, as well as the mobile app. For example, in the case of Shopify with Shop, or through social media channels. So social media channels. So you have Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Okay. So this is online, and the other is in person, brick and mortar locations, pop-up stores, and events and festivals. Okay. Good. So merchants make money by selling on Shopify, but what they sell can vary quite a bit. This range from physical or digital products to membership and subscriptions, to experience and events, to classes and lessons and more. So I want to write down this because this is very, very important. This clarifies what the merchants can sell. So merchants make money by selling on Shopify. So merchants makes money by selling on Shopify. Okay? But what they sell can vary, exactly. But what they sell can vary depending on them. Can vary quite a bit. So from physical or digital products, from physical or digital products, memberships and subscriptions, which is another business model, physical or digital products, membership and subscription, experience and events, interesting, and classes and lessons and more. Classes and lessons and more. Okay? So merchants do this. So merchants make money by selling on Shopify, but what they sell can vary quite a bit. So from physical to digital products, example of physical to digital products is, let's say you want to sell is some blockers, or digital products like courses. Okay, so from the physical to digital products, subscriptions and memberships, experience and events, classes and lessons and more. But it's important to recognize that this is what the merchants can sell, products and service, physical or digital. Interesting. So ready to meet some of our merchants? Well, they're already here, so you might as well, right? Albers, football team Brown, and engineering here. Ready to meet some of our merchants? Albert, cheekbone beauty. Okay, at least footballer Tim Brown and engineering Joy Singler. What the hell is this? What the hell is in this? What the hell is in this? Uh, mhm. Okay, Albert. So all birds ready to meet some merchants in Shopify. Mm-hmm. Merchants in Shopify. For example, all birds. Okay, so the footballer Team Brown and engineering show Slingler are the co-founder behind Allbirds, a footwear company that puts natural materials and sustainability first. Allbirds is a merge of comfort and conscious, but this is something that, yeah, this is very specific to U.S. so San Francisco. Wall Runner. Wall Runner makes. Mhm. Certified B Corporation. So this is allegedly done in Shopify. That's right. Shopify. Okay. Interesting. This guy, they have all of these different sections. Everyday active. Holy moly. It was a woman and kids and socks. Interesting. Sustainability. Moonshot. How we operate. Our sustainability strategy. Nothing is everything. So okay, all right. And this is the material: sugar, trina, trina 3, wool, or approach, measures, carbon footprints, 9.9 Kira score. Regenerative agriculture, renewable materials, responsible energy, or progress, that kind of thing, or commitments, showing our work, This is the goal for 2025. The goal of 2030 in transport. Better business knows better buzzword. Okay. Anyway, so it's Allbirds, right? So this is one of their top merchants. Allbirds, so footballer Tim Brown and engineer Shaw Sillinger are the co-founder behind Allbirds, a footwear company that puts natural materials and sustainability first. Allbirds is a merge of comfort and consciousness with threads made from wool and eucalyptus. What the heck? Oh my god, this is so hipster, so edgy. Um, no, but I love it. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Uh, Allbirds is a merge of comfort and consciousness with threads made from wool and eucalyptus. Simple design and packaging made from 90% post-consumers recycled cardboard. So they're using cardboard. So they're using recycled cardboards in threads made of wool and eucalyptus. Cheekbone Beauty. Founded by indigenous owner Jennifer Harper, Cheekbone Beauty creates beauty products that are vegan and cruelty free. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, they are vegan and cruelty free. Ah, of course. No, no, no. Indigenous. Indigenous. Um, mm, cheekbone beauty cosmetic. No, but is her? I don't know. They put a different image here. It's like, okay, okay. But yeah, so Cheekbones Beauty creates beauty products that are vegan and cruelty free. As part of the brand's commitment to becoming waste free by 2023, becoming waste free by 2023, its lipstick are packaged in biodegradable paper and use 85% less plastic than traditional lipstick tubes. Cheekbones Beauty Team support organizations like the First Nation Child and donate 10% of the profits to Shen's Dreams. Who the hell is Shannon's Dream? Ah, okay. Alright. Alright. Young youth-driven movement advocating for equitable education. Equitable education. Yeah, advocating with that is like anyway. But what you're doing to found that or to finance that anyway. So Allbirds, okay, and Cheekbone Beauty. So Allbirds, okay, and Tim Brown. So Allbirds, founded by Tim Brown, by footballer Tim Brown with two O, footballer, okay, founded by footballer Tim Brown and engineering Shaw Jesus. And engineer so singular. Soy Jesus. Swillinger. 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 Okay. Allbirds funded by footballer Tim Brown and engineer Swillinger. Soy Swillinger. Are they co-founded? Mm-hmm. Allbirds co-founded by company that puts natural materials and sustainability first. Exactly. So a footwear a footwear company a footwear company that puts natural materials and sustainability first. A footwear company that puts natural materials and sustainability first, right? So is this. This is Allbirds. And then you have Cheekbone Beauty, which is another merchant. And you have cheekbone, uh, cheek, cheek, cheekbone beauty. Right? So beauty. So cheekbone beauty, founded by indigenous owner Jennifer Harper. Founded by indigenous owner Jennifer Harper. Holy hell. Jennifer Harper. Cheekbone beauty. Mm-hmm. Cheekbone beauty has the most vivid dream of little indigenous girl covered in lip gloss. That dream what gave birth to Cheekbone Beauty, the very first indigenous owned and founded cosmetic company. Cheekbones aim to make a difference in the life of indigenous youth through donations that support educational opportunities for them, and to create space in the beauty industry where everyone, including indigenous people, feel represented as scenes. Since our launch, the brand has garnered an ever-growing list of customers. Copywriting parent. Why I've stopped doing that is because an ever-growing list, an ever-growing this, and all of this kind of buzzwords. Since our launch, the brand has garnered an ever-growing list of customers, fans, and passionate supporters who believe in our mission and love our products. So, indigenous roots. Indigenous roots. Interesting. Jane Harper has been making a name for cheekbones beauty in the beauty industry for a number of years. Hmm. Interesting. Cheekbone. Okay, with indigenous roots. Mm, cheekbone. Courage cream duo. Shop by collection. Shop lip, shop face, shop eyes. Or story. And bestseller. 1% for the planet. Certified B Corporation. Okay. Okay, That's quite interesting. So, Allbirds, co-founded by footballer Tim Browns and engineering Zoe Sillinger, okay, Swillinger, a footwear. So Allbirds is a footwear company. Allbirds. hmm So an Allbirds is a footwear company that put sustainability and natural material first. And the other is the Cheekbone Beauty, founded by indigenous owner Jennifer Harper. Okay, so a a beauty a beauty product for a beauty company. hmm A beauty, or how do you say that? In that aspect, create beauty products that are average cruelty free in the industry. Um, makeup makeup industry. Oh, cosmetic. Yep, you're a cosmetic. Okay. So Cheekbone Beauty, founded by indigenous owner Jennifer Harper, like this. Exactly. So Cheekbone, founded by indigenous owner Jennifer Harper, a cosmetic company making making products cruelty free and vegan. Okay. All right. It's a cosmetic company. All right. The other is now, so once you understand what is the Shopify merchants, which is everything in Shopify, of course, there are their clients. So there are users just like you and me, that use the platforms to start, run, and grow their businesses across the world by selling product and service to customers. And to understand where the merchants can sell their products, whether it's online through the Shopify online stores, mobile applications, or in digital marketplace like Google or Amazon, also Alibaba, something they don't mention, they don't describe that. And uh, social media channels, right? So YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and also in person. So they can sell in brick and mortar locations, pop up stores, or events and festivals. And events and festivals. And because Shopify allowed the merchants to sell uh, what they sell, so because merchants can make money, which is another way to paraphrasing that. Because merchants can make money from Shopify, what they sell can be varied quite a bit. So from digital to physical products, subscriptions, and subscriptions and memberships to experience. Exactly. So the range of what merchants can sell on Shopify vary quite a bit. So from digital products to physical memberships and subscriptions, experience and events, okay, to classes and lessons and so on. And understand now who are some of those players or some of these top merchants. That you have Allbirds, which is a footwear company focused on natural materials and sustainability, and the Chick case, and the Chicks. Cheekbone Beauty, founded by an indigenous owner, Jennifer Harper, a cosmetic company that create products that are cruelty free and vegan. Okay. So this is just to understand the merchant aspect, which is one of the key players in the Shopify ecosystem. Okay, as they describe here, it's one of the key players in the Shopify ecosystem. The other is partners. The other here is partners. 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 Okay, now partners. Partners. Yeah, partners. But now this must be here. So partners. Okay. So partners are another player in the Shopify ecosystem. So Shopify partners are key collaborators. So Shopify partners are key collaborators. Okay, are key collaborators. So Shopify partners offer professional service to merchants and help introduce them to Shopify. Okay. So what are the services that they provide, the Shopify partners? As a partner, you are a key collaborator in our mission to make commerce better for everyone. Yeah. And the reason why am I getting into the Shopify, or why I'm getting to the e-commerce, is because this is one of the industry in which you can put a practice your learning or your software skill in my particular case, and provide real value, provide outcomes to others. That's the whole point of this. So provide outcomes to others and build your reputation and your image in there, because you're not restricted to the local opportunity by your geography. That's one of the beauty of the internet. You can participate that as a consumer or as a producer or as someone that can collaborate with others. And yeah, if you live in a place like where they don't give you the opportunity, or the opportunity that they give you is essentially becoming someone that is dependent of them, and prevent you from flourish. Okay, so prevent you from flourish. So yeah, so the internet has been something very, very wide, and has been famous. I like the software aspect, because I began with the software engineering, but then I quickly realized that I need to go is with I quickly realized that I need to go with the internet, with the browser, with this collaborative environment, because this is something that resonated to me vastly. And at the beginning, I just consuming a lot of the content from different entertainment, most of the time, but also as a way to distract myself from the reality. But then I also recognize that I can provide value to others and receive money in exchange, and down the line, value as well. So this, my friend, is something valuable, very, very important, and it's crucial. That's one of the reasons why I put that in my main post on Instagram. I pinned that post in there. So So what is a Shopify partner? Shopify partners are key collaborators. Okay, so Shopify partners are professional services. Shopify partners offers professional service to merchants and helps introduce them to Shopify. As a partner, you're a key collaborator in our mission to make commerce better for everyone. Okay, I'm aligned with you, man. I'm aligned with you. Shopify merchants need things like themes and apps to give their buyers the best experience possible. Merchants also often need help with things like marketing and expanding their audience or even product photography to add polish it to their online store. Here is the skill set that you need to provide to merchants, to users, to people that wants to sell, to people that want to start, run, and grow their businesses. It's not only about their technical aspect, the themes and apps, that kind of thing, okay? But also, uh, in other aspect like marketing and expanding their audience to, or even product photography to add polish to their online themes. So these are just a few of the many ways you can grow your business through the Shopify Partner program and use your expertise to help merchants succeed. Mhm. So whether you're just starting out or have an established clientele, the Shopify Partner Program's resources are designed to meet you where you are designed to meet you where you are. You can earn revenue, develop a new skill set, which is the whole point of this, and and connect with clients and other professionals. Earn revenue, develop new skill set, and connect with clients and other professionals. Joining the Shopify Partner Programs offer you entry to a valuable professional network. As a partner, the work you do will empower merchants, improve Shopify, and fuel your own entrepreneurial journey. There are many branches of the programs, and you can join as many as you are like based on your specializations and goals. So you have Shopify Partner plus merchants and Shopify Editions. And how do we Shopify Partner work with merchants? Okay, this is explaining that. But the whole point of this is that Shopify partners offer professional service to merchants and help introduce them to Shopify. So if I go to this, Shopify partners are key collaborators and Shopify partners. So it's Shopify partners offers professional professional service to merchants. So Shopify partners offer professional service to merchants or to merchants and help exactly to merchants and help introduce and help introduce them to Shopify. Okay. Because what those merchants wants to do is to focus on their business operations, whether it's on a physical or digital product, membership or subscriptions, experience or events, lessons and classes, you name it. But you as a Shopify partner, which is the whole goal of doing this, sorry. So as a Shopify partner, I provide a professional service to merchants and help introduce them to Shopify. So they can see the benefit of that based on my previous work and the value that I provide to others. And then they can, they can decide if they want to work with me. Okay. All right. But the whole point of all of this, right? What the hell? What the my phone? Hello. Merchants on everything and Shopify here. So joining the Shopify Partner Program offers you entry to a valuable professional network. So to a Shopify, joining to a shop to joining to the Shopify Partner Shopify Partner Program. Okay, so joining to the Shopify Partner Program offers you entry. Yeah, joining to the Shopify Partner Programs offer you entry to a valuable professional network. So joining the Shopify Partner Programs offers you entry to a valuable professional network, which is something that I want because I want is to not only to take but also to give to that network, to that community. So there are many branches of the program and you can join as many as you like based on your specialization and goals. So there are many there are many branches. There are many branches. The many branches of the program and you can join as many as you like based on your specialization. And you can join as many as you like based on your specialization and goals. There are many branch here. There are many branch of the program. And you can join as much as you like based on your specialization and goals. In my particular case, in the software and the marketing. The software and the marketing. So Shopify partners plus merchants. Shopify aims to build the best product and platform for merchants running their business and for the partners who support them. Shopify has never intended to build our product alone. Shopify relies on partners to bring new merchants to the platforms and provide support to those who are ready to grow beyond out-of-the-box experience. We focus on building for 80% while making the rest possible with Shopify partners. Shopify partners come in and fill in the product's gap since we can possibly be everything to everyone. Interesting. Shopify is a better product because of our partnership and our partner ecosystem, which act as a force multiplier to help us supercharge our impact for merchants. The more merchants we bring to the platform, the higher the demand from them in terms of diverse and unique requirements. Shopify editions. Want to learn about recent product updates? Visit our edition page. Recent product updates. Build to last. Shopify Edition Winter. Boost conversion. Lightning fast page loads everywhere. Why you fucking lie, man? In Argentina, barely. Sao Paulo, yeah. Colombia, Peru, Chile, Santiago, Curitiba, Fortaleza. One page checkout, drag and drop checkout editor. Build trust with shop premise. Sign in Sign in shopping with shop. Tables better build in search recommendation. This is a winter 2023. Okay. Sell across channel. POS go all in one mobile selling hardware. More shop app customization. Sync and sell on YouTube. Turquoise Globra. Go global. Translate and adapt app. Introducing Marketing Pro. Expand with business to business. Quantity roles. Checkout to draft. New business to business API and compatible apps. Find and engage customers. Leverage creator partnership with Shopify collabs. Marketing automation for re-engagement. Fulfill and deliver. What the hell is it? Oh my god, but this is huge. Oh, okay. Run your business. Shopify tax. Of course, the government wants it is cut. The government wants their cut. Hello, mate. Hello, son. It's me, Uncle Sam, and here I am. Commerce component, Shopify Plus. Make your app shine. API extension SDK update. Choose your component. Introducing commerce components. Product list. Okay, product list. Boost conversion. Sell across channels. Go global. Expand with business to business. Find and engage customers. Fulfill and deliver. Run your business. Build with us. Choose your component. Build with us. And engagement here. And here. Sell across channels in this. Build with us. All right. Okay. So this is about them. But the whole point of this is to recognize that Shopify partner and merchants. So Shopify partners and merchants. Yep. So Shopify partners and merchants. So it's to recognize that Shopify partners, we focus on building for the 80% while making the rest possible with Shopify partners, according to them, right? So Shopify focus on building, also following the Pareto principle. Shopify focus on building. Shopify focus on building for the 80%. So Shopify focus on building for the 80% while Exactly. So if we focus on building for the 80% while making the rest possible with Shopify partner. While making the rest possible while making the rest possible with Shopify partners. So the whole point of this is to recognize that Shopify doesn't do this alone. Okay, so Shopify is not doing this alone. Can do this alone. So Shopify has never intended to build our product alone. You know, isn't that so? Shopify has never intended to build our product alone. So Shopify has never intend intended. So Shopify has never intended to build our product alone because it can. So Shopify has never intended to build our product alone. They're not living a silo. And that's what happened with a lot of software or applications or product out there or startups. They isolate themselves and they live in these silos. And then when they launch the product, they try to fit that into a market. It's one way to do that. All right, not a big fan of that actually. I am more inclined is to focus on the execution rather than the idea. Meaning, in any business, you have two kind of risks. You have the risk of idea and the execution. So right now, at this current moment in my life, and especially if you are new to the market, so the market doesn't know you, and focus on things that already exist can bring you value, can help you to start to get more or better problems. But again, focus on the execution, focus on things that already work, and then once you gain enough experience, then you can switch to another place, to another domain. So Shopify focus on building for the 80% while making the rest possible with Shopify partners. Mhm. So Shopify has never intended to build our product alone. Shopify focus on building for the 80% while making the rest possible with Shopify partners. Mhm. We focus on building for the 80%, so that's why they mentioned that. So we focus on building for the 80% while making the rest possible with Shopify partners. Following the Pareto principle, you know? So Shopify partners come in and fill in the product gap since we can possibly be everything to everyone. So Shopify is a better product because of our partnerships and our partner ecosystem. So Shopify is better. So Shopify is a better product by the feedback they're receiving from partner. Shopify is a better product by the feedback and collaboration they receive. Or Shopify is a better product by the feedback and collaboration they receive they receive they receive from Shopify partners. From Shopify partner. From Shopify partner ecosystem. ecosystem. From Shopify partner ecosystem. The more merchants we bring to the platform, the higher the demand for them in terms of diverse and unique requirements. And this is the Shopify edition. Holy hell. It's the Shopify edition. So how do Shopify partners work with merchants? Glad you asked, man. So how Shopify merchants, okay, or how do Shopify partners, yeah, the other way around. So how do Shopify partners works with merchants? Glad you freaking asked me. So how do Shopify partners work with merchants? Because so far, I know, or I look at what is Shopify. Okay, this all-in e-commerce platforms that allow users to start, run, and grow their businesses online. So I also look at some of their educational, motivation, and entertainment content. Okay, so first talk about is what is Shopify and how does it work. Okay, especially is focused on the commerce operations, product management, inventory management, payments, processing, as well as shipping. So then they talk about is the Shopify ecosystem. Okay, so they talk about is what is Shopify, how does it work, an educational, inspirational, and entertaining video, and then talking about that the reason why you should go with them. Allegedly, they are, they are the leading e-commerce platforms in India and USA, according to Pipe Candy, a market intelligence platforms tracking global e-commerce and direct-to-consumer landscape. So, according to their study in October 2021, Shopify represents 70.5 or 57.8%, which is something that they're doing here. Is that they represent is this. So the leading e-commerce use, exactly. So Shopify is the leading e-commerce use in places like India, the US, that represent 57.8%, and its close competitor, WooCommerce, 9.9%. Again, it is the leading e-commerce platform in places like India and the US. Okay? Context is very important here. So on the other thing is that what is the vision that they talk about, which is aims to create the e-commerce a sustainable and so Shopify builds with a commitment to a sustainable commerce in mind. And I really align with this because after all, you're not building is just to live for this particular moment. You live is for not only a legacy, but for the long run, for yourself. So imagine that you're going to live 100 years or more. And you want that be as beautiful as possible. You know, you don't want to fuck up the planet. Or if you do, you want to have a backup. Anyway, so the whole point of this is to recognize the vision of Shopify, that their commitment, that they commit to sustainable commerce in mind. Sustainable commerce, not e-commerce, sustainable commerce, so that the trade of goods and service and the product management, inventory management, payment processing, and shipping is sustainable, and also be environmental friendly. All right, so they don't do this alone, and they mention the two key players in this field, which is merchants and partnerships. So merchants, they are everything in Shopify because there are people like you and me that use the platforms to start, run, and grow their businesses online to sell to customers across the world. Right? So what are the places where they can sell? Online, for example, in the online store or the mobile applications, digital marketplace like Amazon or Google, as well as social media channels, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, you name it. Or in person, so brick and mortar locations, events and festivals, or a pop-up store. Okay, and this is to understand is the merchant aspect of this. Okay, and also to remember that merchants can sell. So merchants earn money by selling on Shopify, but what they sell vary quite a bit. So they can sell the digital, or so they can sell physical or digital products, or yeah, they can sell digital, or they can sell digital or physical products, membership and subscriptions, events and experience, classes and lessons, and so on. But the whole point is to recognize and to segment what are the thing or the most common thing that merchants can sell to earn money in Shopify. And also mention about the merchants, mention some of the top merchants in the Shopify. You have Allbirds, a footwear company that focus on natural materials and sustainability. Allbirds, and cheekbone cheekbones beauty, founded by an indigenous, sorry, cheekbone beauty. Yes, so cheekbone beauty, founded by an indigenous owner, Jennifer Harper. This is a cosmetic company building products that are cruelty-free and vegan. Okay, and this is just to mention about the Shopify merchants, which are everything for Shopify. And now for the partnership, which are key collaborators for Shopify. Okay, the Shopify partners are key collaborators, so they provide professional service to merchants to help introduce them to Shopify and solve their problems. And joining to this Shopify partner ecosystem will open you to a new opportunities into a professional network. And here you can choose several branches that you can go with based on your specialization and goals. And it's also recognized that Shopify is not doing this alone. So the intention was to build a product that the partners are key to their success. So the following is the Pareto principle. So while focusing on building the 80% and while making the rest possible with Shopify partners, right? So Shopify partners feel the product or feel, so Shopify partners come in and fill in the product gaps. So making the product much more better for merchants and for other Shopify partners. And the other is that, so once you know what are the two key players, Shopify merchants and Shopify partners, so how they collaborate, so how Shopify partners work with merchants. Okay, so glad you asked. And here we are. So partners can sell products, can sell service, products, and solutions to help merchants elevate their business. So for example, Patrick sold a solution, or in this case, it sold a product, I think it does, a digital product to solve their problems, right? So how do Shopify partners work with merchants? Partners can sell service, products, and solutions to help merchants elevate their business. There are 4 areas of Shopify where partners can help support merchants. So themes, apps, stores, and services. So something that I'm quite familiar with this. I am quite familiar with themes and apps. Okay? Themes and apps. Building and selling apps, building and selling themes. The other is developing store and store setups, service offers to grow their business. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Because now I have a more broad perspective of about what the F you are doing, right? An error cycle. Mhm. So how do Shopify partners work with merchants? So as we are here, glad you asked. Okay. What the hell? Okay, so Shopify partners sells service, products, and solutions, okay, to help merchants meet their needs. Meets their needs or elevate their meets their needs and elevate their business or elevate their business. So there are 4 areas of Shopify where partners can help support merchants. And there are 4 areas that partners, the Shopify partners provide support to merchants. And that is online themes, online themes, building and selling themes. So building and selling themes, building and selling, exactly, building and selling themes, building and selling apps, stores, like this. So building and selling themes, building and selling apps, store setup, developing stores, interesting, developing stores and store setup, and the other is offer service to grow their business. Offer services to grow their business. So I am quite familiar because I have experience with this. Okay, I have experience with the first three section. That is here. Okay. There you go. So this is the fourth service, or this is the 4 ways that the Shopify partners can assist and support merchants, or by building and selling online themes, building and selling apps, developing store and store setup, and offering additional products, and offering service to grow their business. Okay. Okay. All right. So how we define Shopify partners to merchants? Partners are defined by how they interact with our merchants and platforms. Interesting. Merchants and platforms. As we know, partners come in many different forms. Partner can create one-size-fits-all products that are sold to many merchants, like apps or themes, and sell them on the public marketplace, Shopify App Store or Shopify Theme Store, or they can work more directly with an individual merchant, understanding their needs more deeply and provide custom solutions that meet their specific needs. Product partnership, foundational partnership, and growth partnership. This is how we define Shopify partners to merchants. So, product partnerships build solutions that meet many merchants' needs. Foundational partnership provide essential technology that power the basic function of Shopify platforms. Example, Facebook or Stripe. And the other is growth partnership. Help merchants grow and bring new merchants onto the platform. Example, Shopify partners directory affiliate. Example, Shopify partner directory affiliate programs. Okay. Okay. First is how do Shopify partners work with merchants? That's one. How do Shopify partners work with merchants? And the other is like this. So how do Shopify partner work with merchants? Okay. So how do Shopify partners work with merchants? That's one. So how do Shopify partners work with merchants? By providing assistance and support to merchants, uh, in these four areas, or the online theme, by building and selling online themes, building and selling Shopify apps, developing store and store setup, or offering service to grow their business. And when it comes to define how a Shopify partner is, or how we define Shopify partner to merchants, how we define Shopify partners to merchants, okay. So it's now merchants can understand that. How do we define Shopify partners to merchants? So merchants can understand. Okay, so merchants can understand how you can help me. Okay, how you can help me. How as a small business owner, or how as an indie business owner, or small, mid, or multinational, multi-million dollar company, you help me. Okay. 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 All right. Holy moly. Partnership are defined by how they interact with our merchants and platforms. So partners, or Shopify partners, are defined how they interact with our merchants, exactly, with our merchants and platform. As we know, partners come in many different forms. As we know, partners comes in different forms. Shopify partners are defined by how they interact with our merchants and platform. As we know, partners come in different forms. Partner can create one size fits all products that are sold to many merchants. For example, Patrick, he is a developer and he built that, like apps or themes, and sell them on our public marketplace, Shopify App Store or Shopify Theme Store, or they can work more directly with an individual merchant, understand their needs more deeply, and provide custom solutions that meet their specific needs. So the whole point of this is product partnership, foundational partnerships, and growth partnerships. So product partnership. So depending on how they interact with. Shopify Plus Certified App Program, Shopify and Shopify Partner Directory Affiliate Program. So depend how, because this is defining is how Shopify partners, how Shopify defines Shopify partners to merchants, so they can explain that and so they can understand that. Well, basically here, okay, now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. Okay, so this is how Shopify define Shopify partners to merchants. So depending how those Shopify partners interact with merchants and the platforms, they can, so they are, so we have, okay, depend how those Shopify interact with merchants and platform, we get product partnership. So depending how, because this is describing how Shopify defines Shopify partners to merchants. So depending how Shopify partners interact with merchants, which is everything for Shopify, because after all, there are users that use the platforms to start, run, and grow their business and start selling to customers across the world, anywhere they happen to be. So Shopify partners are defined to merchants by how they interact with merchants and the platforms. So we get here is product partnership. So product partnerships. I think I write it partnerships. Okay. So product partnership. You have product partnership. Foundational partnership. Okay. Foundational partnerships and growth partnership. Okay. I'm just gonna drink some water here. Okay. So you have products, foundational partnership, and growth. So products are oriented to developing applications that fits one size to all to multiple customers. So foundational partnerships are those who build features that help the platform. Exactly. That help and that power the basic function of the Shopify platform. Example, Facebook or Stripe. And the other are growth partnership. Help merchants grow and bring new merchants onto the platform. I am quite familiar with this concept as well as with this. And now with the growth partnership. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Okay. So, product partnership. Build solutions that meet any merchant needs. Okay. So build solutions that meet every merchant needs, or that meet many, but it's not every. You're not covered that meet many merchants needs. And here you have the Shopify Plus Certified App Program. Shopify Plus Certified App Program. Okay, so build solutions that meet many merchant needs. For example, Shopify Plus Certified App Program. The other is foundational partnerships. Here you're providing your power the basic function of Shopify platform. Provide essential technology So provide essential technology. Provide essential technology that power the basic function of Shopify platform. So for example, Facebook or Stripe. Okay, so what is the integration with this? Okay. And the other is growth partnership. Growth partnership. Help merchants grow and bring new merchants onto the platforms. Help merchants grow. Help merchants grow. Exactly. Help merchants grow and bring more customers to their platform. No, exactly. It's to the okay. Help merchants grow. Exactly. Help merchants grow and bring more merchants to the platform. Shopify partner directory or affiliate program. Shopify example. Exactly. Example. Shopify affiliate or the affiliate program or Shopify partner directory. Shopify partner directory. But this is broadly speaking, okay? This is broadly speaking what Shopify partners are defined to merchants. Depends on how they interact with merchants and the platform. You have product partnership, which they're focused on building a solution that meets many merchant needs. For example, the Shopify Plus certified app program. Okay, so the Shopify Plus certified program, Shopify Plus certified. Okay, this Shopify Plus certified program. So this is one niche. Okay, product partnership. The other is foundational partnership, where they provide technology that powers the basic function of Shopify platform. So, for example, with Facebook and Stripe integration, social media channels, and payment processors, or growth partnerships. So they help. Helps merchants merchants grow and bring more merchants into the platform. For example, affiliate programs and Shopify Partners Direct. Interesting. So in my case, uh, I'm more in the products, okay, and the foundational partnership. Product partners build one-size-fits-all solutions that are sold to many merchants. There are two types of product partners: foundational and ecosystem. So you have product partnership, growth partnerships. Interesting. Product partners build Product partners build a one-size-fits-all solution that are sold to many merchants. And there are two types of product partners: foundational and ecosystem. Foundational, we wouldn't have the Shopify we do today with these partners. They provide fundamental technology, OS service app that Shopify relies in order to deliver and sustain our core products. If this partnership didn't exist, some of our core products will cease to exist. Example of this partner include Stripe, Facebook, and Google. So they hire people from that. And the other is the ecosystem. These partners make up our these partners make up our thriving ecosystem of developers. They build and provide third party one to many. Okay, they build to provide third party one to many solutions that are not native to our Shopify platform. This allows our merchants seek out third-party apps, payment gateways, and other themes for non-customized solutions. Example of this partner includes app, theme, channels, and payment gateway developers. App, so I enter in the ecosystem. App, theme, channels, and payment gateway developers who may sell their service on Shopify app theme store and marketplace. When Shopify talk about partners, we generally refers to those who work directly with our merchants, such as our developers, service or agency partners. When our support channels, marketing material, or programs refers to partners, we are not referring to our foundational product partners. We own when our support channels marketing material and other programs refers to partner support channels. Marketing material and other programs refers to partner. We are not referring to our foundational partner programs. They are in supporting channels. Growth partnerships. Example of these partners. Agency partner, experts, and affiliate partners. Meet some of our partners. Exactly. So in this case, Shopify partner John Mack is a freelance web designer, consulting, and coach. He shared what it's like working as a partner and how Shopify has contributed to his success. Interesting. hmm hmm Interesting.
Way over my head.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This side, the working space, I will show you our apartment.
hmm Interesting. 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 hmm Interesting. 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 Okay. So yeah, they talk about is the subtle difference between the product partnerships and growth partnership. Um, yeah. Let me negotiate with myself. Let me negotiate with myself. In this case, is that let me write it down. This, and that'll be all. Okay. Mm-hmm. And meet some of our partners and additional partners. Most often build bespoke e-commerce solutions, but working with Shopify allows them to have an immediate impact on the growth on the creative brand they work with. Jotpa and Ethercycle. So now, um, so here is Shopify. About Shopify, the Academy here is explaining is okay. So how Shopify partners are defined to merchants. So merchants can understand. So what is the value that I can receive from them? Well, so Shopify merchants are or partnerships, Shopify partners are defined based on how they interact with the Shopify platforms and merchants. So you have product partnerships that they build uh, so that they build solutions to meet many merchants' demands. So, for example, the Shopify app, the Shopify Plus certified app program. Okay, so this is what they do: product partnership, build solution that meets many merchants' needs. So, for example, a partner, Patrick Bolenbach. I work with him to collaborate is on their product, particularly on their Shopify app theme development, right? So yeah, all right. Mm-hmm. So yeah, so product partnership. So they build solutions that meet many merchants' needs. So for example, the Shopify Plus app program. Okay, and you have is the foundational partnerships that helps provide essential technology that powers the Shopify basic functions. For example, Facebook, Stripe integration, people from this. And the others are grow partnerships that helps merchants to grow and bring more merchants to the platform. So, for example, affiliate programs and Shopify partner directory. So, product partnerships builds one size fits all solutions and they are sold to many merchants. So product partners build one size fits all solutions that are sold to many merchants. But the question is that there are no one size fit all solutions for everyone. It's just for a small niche. One size fit all solutions. Okay. So there are two type of product partners: foundational and ecosystem. Something that I quite familiar, but in this case, they dive deep, they go deeper into this. So the foundational, when it comes to the product partnership, so on the product partnership, you have the foundational that they provide is the basic layer of operating system, service, and applications. Let's say which OS they should run, Docker instance, any of the web server that they can go with, perhaps Ruby or Node recently. Okay, so they provide this, and they provide the core functionality and sustain the core Shopify product, the entire e-commerce. So this is the foundational, and the other are the ecosystem partners. So these partners make up thriving ecosystem for the of developers. So they build and provide third-party one-to-many solutions that are not native to Shopify platform. This allows merchants to seek out third-party apps, payments, gateways, or themes for non-customized solution. Examples of this partner include app, theme, channel, and payment gateway developers who may sell their service on Shopify app, theme, store, and marketplace. So when Shopify talks about partners, we are generally referring to those who work directly with our merchants, such as our developers, service, and agency partners. So after all, I just want to break down this because I talk about here this, okay? So product partnership here, there are two types of product partnership, and they build solutions that meet many merchants' needs. Okay, so product partnerships builds product partnership builds one size fit all solutions or application of solutions. Okay, so product partnership builds one size fit all, one size fit all solutions to merchants or solutions. Yeah, exactly. So product partnership builds one size fit all solutions and sell to many merchants. So there are two types of product partnerships. You have fundamentals, foundational. It's like foundational in a ecosystem. It's like foundational and ecosystem. So the foundational, we wouldn't have the Shopify we do today with this partner. They provide fundamental technologies. Exactly. So they provide fundamental technologies, the OS, apps, service, to build or to sustain and maintain Shopify cores, Shopify's oh come on, Shopify core products. This is the foundational, and the other is the ecosystem. They build apps. They build and provide third-party one-to-many solution. Exactly. They build third-party one-to-many. They build third-party one-to-many solutions to merchants. Exactly. Solutions that are not native to our Shopify platform. Okay, they build and provide third-party one-to-many solutions that are not native in Shopify platform. Okay, that are not native in Shopify platform, and this allow our merchants. And this allow our merchants so they build third-party one-to-many solutions and that are not native in the Shopify platform. This allow exactly that are not native in the Shopify platforms where merchants seek out where merchants can seek where merchants can use them. So for example, exactly where merchants can use them. Yeah, where merchants can use them. Where merchants can use them. Example of this partner include app, theme, channel, and examples of this partner. Examples are the apps, themes, the app, themes, channel and payment gateways. Channel and payment gateway. Channel and payment gateway developers. And payment gateway developers. App, themes, channel, and payment gateway developers who may sell their service on Shopify app. Who may sell their services on the Shopify app or theme store and marketplace. Who sell their service on Shopify app or theme store or marketplace. Exactly. In marketplace. Okay. So when Shopify talks about partners, we generally refers to those who work directly with our merchants, such as our developers, service and agency partners. Okay, but this is just to differentiate. Okay, when our support channels, marketing material, and on programs refers to partners, we are not referring to our foundational product partners. Of course, of course. So when Shopify talks about partners, they reference to foundational partner, which is interesting. So when Shopify talks about partners, they refer to foundational. They refers to foundational the foundational product partners. Okay. When different channels with our support channels, when our support channels marketing materials and programs, marketing materials and programs refer exactly. So when our support channels, marketing materials and programs refers to partners, we are not referencing to our fundamental partner. Okay, we are not referencing. So we're not referring. So we're not referring our foundational product partners. Okay. So the ecosystem. Okay. And then you have the growth partnerships. So the other side is our growth partnership. This partnership increase the volume of merchants onboarding in the Shopify ecosystem and accelerate merchants growth and success one of our platform. So one of them is more for the technical aspect and the other are for the sales. Because growth partnerships are more for sales and marketing. So these growth partnerships, okay, increase the volume of merchants onboarding into the Shopify ecosystem. Increase the volume of merchants in the Shopify ecosystem and accelerate merchants growth and success once on our platform. Exactly, because it's not only to increase the volume of merchants, but also to guarantee their success or to accelerate merchants growth. And to accelerate merchants growth. Merchants grow and success. Once on our platform. Example of these partners are agency partners, expert and affiliate partners. So examples are affiliates, agency partners, agency partner experts, and affiliate partners. With growth partnership are our agency partners. Our agency partners are a mix of those that are just getting started with Shopify, as well as others that are experienced with the platform, technology, and ecosystem, and are accelerating their business alongside Shopify. The highest tier of our growth partnership are plus agency partnerships. Agency partners refers to a small or large company, not freelancer, who serve one or many merchants. So the highest tier of our growth partnership are our plus agency partners. The highest tier. The highest tier of our growth. The highest tier of our growth partnership. The highest tier of our growth partnerships are our plus agency. Yeah, the highest tier of our growth partnership are our are our plus agency partners. And another thing is that agency partners refers to a small company, not freelancer. Exactly. Agency partner refers to a small or large, refer to small or large companies, not to freelancers who serve one or many clients, who serve one or many merchants. Agency partners refer to small or large companies who serve one or many merchants. Okay. All right. So then I look at part of this experience, additional partners, modes, expertise, design, branding, developing, and engineering. Partner journey, small themes and service agency partners specializing in building artistic, design-driven Shopify store. Jotpo and Aerocycle. But I think most of them are hidden behind but I think the vast majority of them are hidden behind interesting. Mode is one of the few studios in the world with over 100 5-star reviews for launching sites on Shopify and Shopify Plus. We provide refined design, cutting-edge engineering, and the highest order service. Interesting. Interesting. Marketing and sales. Interesting. So examples is mode. So examples of agency partners mode. Mode. Jotpo. Shopify Plus technology partner. Interesting. So Jotpo. And Aerocycle. And it is funny because they just big mother. They didn't add any link to that. Interesting. An Aerocycle. An Aerocycle. Interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Okay. All right. It was quite interesting. It was definitely quite interesting. So that'll be all for this video. Take care. Bye bye.